Pull the lever, Crunk. Wrong lever!
Huh?
Why do we even have that lever? Get out of my way.
Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs in at all times.
1, 2, 3.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you can't tell what I already am, then there's no need for you to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, or the notification bell because you should just leave right now. I did a glam version of Yzma. She is one of my favorite villains ever, and like the older I got, the funnier she was to me, and I just loved her so much. I was like, you know what? Everybody I've seen makes Yzma look old and ugly, so I thought, let's take her back through time when Yzma was in her golden years and she was a bomb-ass, thought, bitch, glam, all the way. So that's what I did. I really hope that you like this look, and if you want to see how to get this look, then just continue watching. So first things first, I'm going to start off my base. I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair. And I believe this is the lightest shade they have, because we're going to be using a really light foundation as well. Look, Yzma turned gray when she got old. And I'm just going to blend this out real fast. Set the eyes with the MEHRON translucent powder that I always use, and you can get it on Amazon for, I think it's $9. And I mean, it lasts forever. This stuff is never ending, it feels like. And I mean, I'm really packing it on there, girl. I'm really caking it. Then I'm just gonna brush off the excess. So for the next shade, I'm going to be going into the KYLIE and Jordan palette, and then I'm going to be using the shade My Heart and a small detailing eyeshadow brush. So I'm going to start right here on the outer corner of the eye and start pushing the product all the way to the end, and then winging it up. Then I'm going to go through and just blend it. So I'm just going through and blending it. Back and forth motions. Then I'm going to be taking that same brush and going into the Zulu palette and just following up exactly what we did. Then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush and just blend it. So once again, I am taking the Tarte Shape Tape and a lip pencil brush. This time we're going to cut starting from the inner corner of the eye, like right here. Go all the way up. Just gonna put a little more product. Actually, I'm gonna put a little product right here and then dip into that. So we're still working on it. With a little more product right on the eye. And then I'm gonna take it down. And then right like that. So then another wing. Then I'm going to be taking the pastel goth palette and I'm going to be using the shade Skull to set the concealer on the cut crease. I know this is really similar to my purple fog glam, but trust me, it's not. Okay, so now let's pray that I can match the other eye real quick. So I'm gonna start the wing right here. So what I like to do is I like to take the matte liquid liner and an old eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner, and I put the matte liquid liner on the tip of the brush, and then I go through and darken everything up because this is very dark. Anyway, so I'm going to be using this hands-free light diffusing foundation from YBF, Your Best Friend, and it's the lightest foundation I could find. I keep thinking this cap was twist off, but and I'm just going to put this all on my face. Because Yzma is really pale, but like I said before, she always, when she was a young Glamazon. And then I'm just gonna go through and blend it all out. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little of the Ben Nye Clown Stack white right here, and then mix it in with the lightest shade from Tarte. Okay. So then I'm gonna go ahead and set this. Making it more white. So I'm going to go ahead and start contouring with the Juvia's Place and going back into the purple shade once more. So I'm going to start the contour lightly right here. So I'm just doing patting motions. And then the forehead. Okay. Now, for Yzma's nose, it's going to take a little more focus. She has an extreme button nose, so I'm going to try my best to recreate that. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this all off. Okay, so the bottom of the eyes, I'm going to do purple. So for the lips, I am using the Mamacita lip liner from I Love Subscibe. And I'm just gonna line my lips. Then going back into the Juvias place again, we're going to be using the purple shade as a lipstick. And really, get in there. So I'm going to go in with the new Desi and Katie Dose of Colors collection. I'm going to be using the lip gloss the most, just so the colors all blend through easily. And yeah, she got a nice shine on her lips. Then finally, I'm going in with a highlighter brush and the Aurora palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going to go into Spectra for a little bit of highlight. Okay guys, so this is the final Halloween look for Glam Yzma. You know, this is Yzma back in the day when she was a young thought and she did her damn thing. See, I kept true to her makeup routine. Cheekbone, cut crease. Wait, does she have a cut crease? No, she has smoky eye. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day, she did cut crease, okay? Now she uses smoky eye to cover the wrinkles and whatnot. So if you liked this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and if you really, really like this look, give your girl a share. And comment down below what Halloween looks you think that I should do next. And till then, I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.